This video demonstrates basic analysis with Nessus. To view the results of a scan, click on the scan. When analyzing the results of a scan, be aware that the list of hosts is sorted in descending order from most vulnerable to least vulnerable. To remove a host from the list, select it and click the Delete button, or click the Delete icon. The Scan Details section provides general scan information and scan statistics, as well as a pie chart showing the severity of identified vulnerabilities. To view a list of vulnerabilities for a specific host, click on the individual IP address. This list provides results in 5 categories, which generally correspond to CVSS scoring. These are critical, high, medium, low, and informational. Informational level plugins, although not critical from a vulnerability standpoint, can provide a great deal of useful information about a host. This can include service detection, firewall rules, user account information, a list of installed software, the device type, the operating system, netstat connection info, running process info, scan statistics and troubleshooting information, and much more. You can also see information about the host in the Host Details section, including IP and host name, scan time, an option to download the knowledge base, and a pie chart for the host. To view a list of vulnerabilities for all hosts in the scan, click on Back to Hosts. Then click the Vulnerabilities tab. To retrieve information about a specific check, click on the check. Drilling into a specific check will provide further information, such as a description of the check, a possible solution, reference information, the actual plugin output, port and service, and a list of affected hosts. The plugin output may help you understand how and why Nessus identified a vulnerability. For example, the plugin output may give details about a vulnerable file, and it will also list the latest version of the file that is not affected. The Plugin Details section provides information including the severity of the vulnerability, the plugin ID, which can be used for filtering and reporting, the plugin version, whether the flaw was discovered by a remote port scan or through local checks, the plugin family, and when the plugin was published and last modified. To adjust the severity level of a result manually, click the Modify icon. Here you can change the severity level and select the option to apply this rule to future scans. Please note that hidden results cannot be recovered. You can also view CVSS scoring and vector information, the CPE, exploit details, and when the vulnerability was first published. The Remediations tab lists actions that would resolve the greatest number of issues across all hosts in a given scan. Nessus provides a statistical summary, the number of vulnerabilities that would be resolved by applying the patch, and the number of hosts affected. This is helpful for prioritizing tasks in order to reduce your attack surface. The History tab allows you to look at previous results for a given scan. Clicking on a previous result marks it as current, and the Host's Vulnerabilities and Remediations sections then populate based on those results. Choosing 2 or more scan results allows you to produce a differential report for comparison purposes.